Okay, students, for problem number one, in problem number one, it asks you which property is illustrated below. So it's really not asking you to do too much. So when you have properties and they ever have a property question, one of the things that they're asking you is, can you recognize what's going on? How do I recognize distributive property? Well, I can recognize distributive property because it would have something like parentheses and a number directly outside and a couple different terms inside. So that's distributive property. I don't see that here. I do see parentheses, but I see a plus sign, not a number. That doesn't make it distributive. So, and I'm not identifying anything. Because when you identify, you would have x equals some number, like, for example, 5. Well, I don't see that either, so it's not B. Communicative is when it doesn't matter what the order is of your addition or your multiplication. So it'd be like, let's see, as an example, you would have 4 plus 7 equals 7 plus 4. You know what I mean? It doesn't matter, like, if 4 comes first or 4 comes last, it's still addition. Associative is when you have a couple of different terms, probably like 3 or more. And what you do is you start to switch the group around. So like so on the left side of your equation, you could have a group around 3 and 4. And then on the right side of your equation, you have a group around 7 and 4. That's associative property. So how do you know it's associative? Well, you know it's associative because you have parentheses around different numbers, but all the numbers are the same on each side of the equation. So, and step by step, how I'd solve this? Well, I mean, there's not much to do here. You just look, you identify, you done. Pretty easy stuff, actually.